put up for adoption. All right, Weather Day at Miller Park just a week away, so tonight we thought we'd have a special kind of geeking out day here on the Now Milwaukee. We sent Jesse Aritka and John Milan outside. We've paid their bail. They can go outside, and they're going to create a cloud for us tonight, guys.
I don't know about bail, but maybe ambulance standing by? I'm not sure about it. This guy looks dangerous over here, doesn't he?
This is Paul Mack from Discovery World. He's going to help us out today.
Now, we did this last year, and we don't like to always bring the same thing back, but this was such a spectacular experiment out at Miller Park, and we do it a lot bigger than what we're going to show you today.
Yeah, this is kind of well, it's big enough where we can't be doing it inside the studio.
Wait, let me put my glasses on.
So one of the things we teach the kids at Miller Park is how a cloud is actually formed. So Paul, tell us a little bit. I mean, yes, we're weather experts, but you know a little bit as well. How does a cloud typically form?
We like to say that there are 4 things that you need. You need to have water. You need to have particulates or dust floating in the air. You need to have a change in temperature and a change in pressure.
We call that hydroscopic nuclei.
That's right. Our geek out works. So how are we going to...
I had to get that in. I don't know what. Hey, okay.
It is the geek out session for a reason.
That's true.
So how are we going to do that?
Well, we're going to rely on the dust and particles floating in the air. And I was hoping you guys could do something about the temperature, but it doesn't appear like it. So I brought some liquid nitrogen. I have liquid nitrogen here, negative 320 degrees.
Whoa,
and some boiling water. So... big temperature difference. Safety first. And
gotta
then
put the gloves
definitely
on.
the gloves on.
Put on the gloves and mixing it all together. And don't do it at home.
Folks, you think it's cold out right now, and it is. That's very cold inside that container.
What, minus 320?
Minus 320.
All right, so there it goes.
Yep.
All
and that's
right.
actually kind of a cloud that's coming out right now.
That's kind of fog, because it's close to the
more
ground.
fog, yeah.
And that's what fog is, a cloud close to the ground.
Yep.
Exactly. We deal with plenty of that here.
Yeah, put a little more in.
Sure.
Just a tad more. No, just a tad. There you go. Okay, I feel good now.
All right, you feel good?
All right. So now the big temperature difference
Okay,
here.
we need
have
a drum roll.
hot boiling water.
Hot boiling water.
And we'll count down. 5, 4.
We're going to count down back here.
3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do it.
See, we just created a rainstorm, too.
Actually, there was a little hail there, too.
And there's your cloud.
Wow, that is great.
That is fantastic. We got a little frozen glass.
I think that was big out at Miller Park. We're going to double that, aren't we? And actually, way more than double that.
Yes. We're probably going to put in 8 times more liquid nitrogen than we did right there.
All right,
Very
great.
cool.
Weather Day coming up a week from tomorrow. We're all excited. Back to you, Steve.
We have a surplus of clouds right now. Stop making more. But that was